Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have my buddy Zavier's 2014 Q50. Just got it tuned 2 days ago. IQ Tech tune, 3-inch custom intakes, ported intake plenum, test pipes, so basically straight piped from stock headers, test pipes, and then straight piped all the way back. Couple pretty cool cosmetic mods. Pretty darn fun. I haven't even driven this thing yet. Had it dyno tuned 369 or so to the wheel, close to 400 torque. Play with your different maps. You got, I believe, race, pops and bangs. Eco is 4. I don't know what map 1 is. It might be like a sport tune. But with the pop and bang tune, obviously you have 2 steps. So you put it in park, you just give it a little. And you have some fun noises. But for the drive, I'm gonna put it into race. Let's see what this thing's all about. That's not bad. That's quick. Can you change maps on the fly? No, I don't think you can. And if you just tap the gas ever so slightly, you get a little. Okay, now I've figured it out. You just got to give it a little bit of gas. That's okay, that's the tune right there. Lift. Go back on the gas. Yep. So it's funny because it's similar to the tune, the crackle tune that was on the GT3 RS I reviewed, where you can't give it enough gas for it to actually start to accelerate. It's just that tiny bit above. Yep, that's how you do it. I 100% feel like a child now, but it's so fun. Oh, it's so childishly fun. Thank you, Zavier, for letting me take this thing out. This is awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.